When I look back at the time when Donovan was a baby, I see him, and he was a happy child. I was 16 years old when I gave birth to him. I was a very young mother. He was a happy baby. This was him when he was about 2 years old. This was him when he was about 3 years old. Donovan was a very articulate boy when he was young. He spoke fluently. I never spoke baby talk to him. I just didn't. Donovan loved flowers, and he loved being in the outdoors. In this photograph, we lived in Oregon, and that cat was as big as Donovan was. He loved animals. This was him when he was a baby, and that was his godmother. This was him at the apartment that we lived in Roseburg, Oregon. This was Donovan when he was about 4 years old. This was me when I was pregnant with Donovan. I was 15. This is a picture of us when we were in Northern California when he was, I think, 4 by then, up in the Mendocino area. This was us in Northern California also. I think I might have been 19, 20 at that time. When Donovan was really little, and even up until he committed this murder, he always gave me a flower or sent me pictures of flowers. He loved to give me flowers. He was a good kid when he was young. He was very laid back. He's a Taurus. He didn't like change. And being a young mother, there was always a lot of change in our lives. I can't say for sure when I started noticing a transition in Donovan's behavior. I mean, all kids talk to themselves. All kids. He was really good with playing by himself. He was really good with doing a lot of things by himself. He always had make-believe friends. And he always kept himself busy. He was always really good by himself. And